Hello everybody, I'm back again. So today I just wanted to share a quick ephemera kit that I just finished. I know a lot of you saw this image that I posted on my Instagram and Facebook. This is one of these large division flashcards that I also have listed on my Etsy. I ended up playing with one. I was just, curious because this is usually they're just long and this one's more of a square kind, so I was like, okay, I want to play with it. And I ended up creating this this piece of ephemera. These little guys, I found a book at a thrift store. It's not that old. I wish it would have been old. I would have loved to have scanned it, but they're not. So I went ahead and cut up some images from the book, and I went ahead and made a kit, which I still have some. So I may make another kit because it was so much fun with these little guys. So this, as you could see, I just did a collage. I went ahead and added some lace, some trims. This is a cute little label, a little butterfly. These are from AliExpress. I hope the light is good, guys. I know it's late here, and I have a lamp because the light up here is not that strong. But I have this cute little flower. I went to a little thrift store that I found. It's called the Little Red Shop, I think. Or the Little Red Thrift Shop. Something like that. Which I gotta tell Patty, because I have a lot of, I know she loves, what do you call it? Like tablecloths, but linens, embroidered and just like all kinds of different ones. Table runners, just a bunch of stuff. So I have to tell her because she's a fanatic for that. They did have some lace and some buttons. They had a lot of stuff, so I want to go back. But anyways, this is one of the trims I found, so I added that flower. I just hope it comes out because like I said, the lighting here is not that good. But this is one of the pieces that goes with that kit. Here I went ahead and did a little booklet, and I just added some of this piece of fabric here just to strengthen it. And it's a two-faced one, only because, well, when I use them on my journals, let me see, get one of these, if I can get to it. Let's say this is one of your pages. I usually like to put them like that and then just put a little paper clip. That way when you flip the page, it has images on both sides. So that's what I did with this one, and I think they came out so cute. I love the images. And I just added some of this trim also that I found at that shop, and it's just a little booklet. I just added random pieces of paper on here, different sizes, as you can see. I was thinking of adding a pocket here, but then I kind of like it to put an image. I don't know, but that's a little booklet. And then I made 3 tags. This is one of them, and these are made out of a file folder, so I left them blank in the back for journaling. But how cute is she? So cute with the little babies there. I'm assuming that's grandma and her grandbabies. So I thought that was so cute, and I just grabbed scraps to do the background. These are some of the pieces I had left from that Shabby Dabby Doodah kit that I last used. So that was fun, trying to use them all up. There's another one. This guy's working hard. So cute. I love the way they turned out. Which I'm going to do a shout out for all these people that have Etsy shops or do digikits. Please do a gnome one. Maybe there's some out there and I just haven't seen them, but oh my god, I would love to see some digikits with gnomes. They're so cool. Here's another one. You got 2 little guys there, and they all have a word on the bottom. So yeah, these were fun to make. I want to make more, but I have other projects I need to take care of, but I plan to do another. I'm hoping if I have enough to make a little journal. I think it was so cute. But anyways, here's another book page insert, and there you got the little gnome lady there. And I just added pieces of ephemera, and I think all the ephemera that I used came from the old design shop, because as you know, that's one of my favorite shops. And this one, you would just glue it on the side, and you'd have a tuck here, or you can leave it open on this side, whichever you prefer. And then this one, for those of you that follow Rachel from Roxy Creations, she was making these. I think she said she got it from the idea from Tina over at Shabby Dabby Doodah. So anyways, I went ahead and made some for me. And these are just made out of coffee dyed paper. So here you got a pocket, which I went ahead and added this piece. And then what you do with this one, as you can see, these are meant for also, well, I'm thinking for me, I'm thinking of putting them like that and then just adding a paper clip. But the way they were using it, I think they glue it down so they wouldn't decorate this part. I guess they would glue it down and use it as a tuck, and then it's a flip at the same time, and you can journal in here. So it's really, you know, the way you want to use it. I decorated both sides because I wanted to, like I said, put it at the end of a page and then just flip over and you got a decoration on both sides. Or you could even glue it as is. You have a tuck here and you have a tuck down here, and just glue it down to the page. You would just glue the edges. So it's really, you know, a flexible little pocket that you can use in various ways, and I loved it. So I made me a couple of them, and yeah, I'm gonna make me some more. But this one, like I said, I used a lot of the images from that book, so I thought they came out really cute. And then one of these, and a little guy's looking up. I'm thinking he's looking to see what are you gonna put in this pocket. And so I have these two pieces of ephemera, and those just pop in there. Then I have some labels, a piece of a label here. So yeah, I love the images, guys. Here's another small one, and this is just an insert, I guess a two-face insert. Just insert it in a pocket, or you could put it with the paper clip on the page. And then here's the pocket. So you just have this piece of ephemera. Oh my god, it's getting hot in here, but I turned off the AC because it's noisy. But I only have the fan and it's not cutting it. And then on this side there's a pocket. I just went ahead and layered again some more pieces of paper. I think this paper is from Artsology. And then just added a label and added some of that small trim that I found at that thrift store. And there's nothing in the back, and then you have these two pieces of ephemera. And those just pop in there. And then this is like a little booklet. And actually this book, I already had it made. I just never used it. But I went ahead and collaged the front. Added this lady, little gnome with a little mouse. And it's cute. I love the little window, so I left that window there. So that's a little booklet, and you open it. I guess in here you can write the date when you first started journaling. I went ahead and added pieces of ephemera. This is from another kit, which I can't think of the name right now. But we got a little sleepy guy here. Looks like he's sick. But you got a little gnome. They get sick too. And then you got Mama Gnome over here, getting ready to go take care of that guy because he looks a little sick. And then on this side, I just added a little ticket, and these were gifted to me. And I can't remember who. MJ? Was it MJ? I can't remember, but there's another little guy there. He's just looks serious. And then on this side, we got a little birdie. I just went ahead and layered some paper, some of this lace, and then I added some eyelash trim so it could look like the little branch that's under the bird. And that little birdie came from that book as well. And then a little tour page there. And then you got this guy here reading. He loves to read his books, so he went on top of this ticket and decided to do some reading. And then got a page there, another cute little ticket. And then we got another guy here, just serious, saying like, when are you going to start writing in this book? You know, he's got that look. Look at him. And then this is the last page. You got another little guy. See, he's happy. He's getting ready to go to work. But yeah, this was so cute to add those cute little images. So this little booklet's in there, and I should have measured it, guys, but it's a small little book. And then I just went ahead and I like these 2 pages that were on the book. I didn't do anything to it. I just sewed them to make pockets. But this was in there. I guess it's a music sheet that was on the book, and I love this little floral there. So yeah, I just made an envelope so you could tuck stuff in there, and just left it as is. And then this one too, because you got the little guy right there and swinging on a swing by a branch. I thought that was so cute, so I left it alone. You cannot cover that. And then again, you can just do some tucking in there of something. So I made these 2 extras to go in there, but this will be listed in my Etsy if anybody's interested. So it's a cute little kit. And oh, I ended up putting this piece. I didn't want to cut it. I just love that page, so I added it to this glassine bag. So I figured I could pop them all in there, and I really like that image of the guy there and all the flowers and stuff. I thought that looked cute. So yeah, this is my cute little 12-piece kit that I added to my shop if anybody's interested. And that's it for today, guys. I will see you guys on my next video. You guys take care. God bless. Bye-bye.